You've built an app people love. Now, it's time to get paid. Here's what to know about payouts: how to begin, what to expect, and how to handle issues. First, set up your account. Make sure your bank details, tax information, and company type are correct. If your bank does not accept US dollars, you will need to work with Meta to add intermediary bank details. Most payout issues come from adding incorrect details here. Fixing these mistakes can put your account on hold and require support. In many cases, developers must rebuild their account entirely and migrate all their apps. Spending time to get details right can save major setbacks later. Next, know the schedule. Payouts happen once a month, starting on the 24th. You only receive a payment if you've earned at least $100 in the previous calendar month. If not, your balance rolls over to the next month. Updating bank or tax info triggers a 5-day hold, so making changes within 5 days of that window will delay it until the next cycle. Finally, if something goes wrong, start with your developer dashboard. If you missed a payout, did you make changes within 5 days of the 24th? Is your account in good standing? Did you meet a threshold? If the amount isn't what you expected, check the reports. They break sales down by region and currency, including fees and taxes, to help explain your earnings. If you still can't find the answer, that's when to reach out to support. Getting paid shouldn't be the hard part. Double-check your details, know the schedule, and use available tools, and payouts become routine so you can focus on building great apps.